Welcome back everyone. So the previous video we have already seen the dollar card and the other currency pairs, and now we'll go to Cardian as you can see, and hopefully we'll see some 4 or 5 currency pairs. Okay, as you can see, do you see any black box? No, there we have one, but did it trade? Did it trade to the upside? Did it trade to the upside? I mean, at least 23.6%. It didn't, right? It didn't. So we pass that one. That's not how setting. We pass it. So next we have this one. 1, 2, 3. No break. 1, 2, 3. No break. Then 1, 2. Where is it? 1. This is 1, 2, 3. This one tried. No. Then this one. So that's a buy. Stop loss down there. Okay. That is a buy up there. Right? That's a buy. Then stop loss down there still. And you use the body, this body, okay, this body, TP1, then TP2 is opposite. Maybe that week. Okay, that week. Then we found another one. 1, 2, 3. Is that a buy? Stop loss down there. That's a buy right there. This is the risk. This is the potential profit at least 1 to 2. Right? Risk to reward. So that's simply it. Simple as that. Next, let's go to this a little bit crazy price action. It is crazy. It's crazy. So it is not a little bit. It is crazy. So let's go. Here 1, 2, 3. Do you see a break? Yes, down there. Okay. It is down there. Right as that bullish candle low, we broke the 2.5% of this. Right. So what happened? What do you do? Do you sell? Stop loss up there and sell. Your risk is too much. Risk is too much, right? So, and it didn't even offer 1 to 1. As you can see, it stopped it down there. So I already told you that one, if this thing happens, minimize your lot size, which I don't recommend. Minimize your lot size by 1/4, 1/4, or the best choice is to wait for a retest. Okay, this is your one. This is determine your TP1. TP2 is most likely down there. Then you wait for a retest. You already know it is moving down there. So all you want is for the price to come up there. It did come, right? This is your black box. Let me clean that one for you. This is the black box. It did come up there. That's a sell. Targeting down there. Then pump it up again. Just like I told you in the previous episode, this is a double top. In these kinds of things, you can be sure that it is dumping. It will be dumping. So as you can see, the double top almost relatively equalized. I mean, they are relatively equalized. So you can sell this and sell this again. Why? 2.5% is still up there. It is not touched yet. So sell 2 sets, targeting TP2 or more. After the price has advanced, you put it at breaking at your stop loss from up there to down there. Then you take partials there. You take partials there. Okay. Don't touch the stop loss yet. That's how you do this. And finally, it will get you out of the trade. Your stop loss at break even. It will get you out of the trade. The next thing, what happened? Right there. 1, 2, 3. Right. We got 1, 2, 3. It didn't break. 1, 2. It didn't break. The 2.5% still intact. It didn't break nothing. So what happened here? Down there. Down there seems like we broke the 2.5%, as you can see. And something like the it's really the third model based on the three candles. But based on the two candles, it's fourth model. We broke the downside, we broke the upside, and we delivered the downside. That was the real direction. Right? Then what happened? So, but based on the three candles, including all the three candles, we see that this is the only thing here. This is the only which shows that this is the third model. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, this is what you are seeing here. This is the third model. After that, this third candle has finished trading. Then what happened here? You might sell this one, right? I am in a sell position here. Sold. Stop loss up there yet. And then finally, almost immediately came back and hit my stop loss. What does that mean? Am I gonna buy that one? No, I am not. I am not. Since I want this to be up there, um, since it is, I want it to break the 2.5% up there. That's my entry, right? And my stop loss should be down there. So it is too risky. It is too risky. I can't enter this trade anymore. That was a less risky. That sale stop loss up there. That was less risky. But this one, the third model, no, thank you. So only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure this TP2, TP1, TP2 is not hit, right? So the only thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trace the retest. Where? Where? Down there. I put my stop loss down there and enter a buy exactly right here. Why? Because this is a black. Actually, actually, before entering a buy for this one, another black box formed. So what does that mean? The number one will trade the latest, the recent black box, the new. This is dead, but the TP will live on until TP2 is hit for this one. Okay. So my setup for this one, aiming TP2, I will enter that one to buy because we broke the upside, right? And then I would wait for this setup to unfold, to break, right? So what happened here? Your stop loss down there, your entry up there, look for risk, and that's your reward. TP2 is upside for this one, right? Hopefully for this one too, right? Because if it breaks upside, this one will change to a buy program, so we'll be seeking higher prices. Unfortunately, we had a black box that didn't deliver this one. To the downside, we are already in a sell program with this big black box. That's why this is all just a retest. This is all just a retest to move down. So anyways, we would be entering a buy. Stop loss down there. Risk, reward. Then finally, this big candle got us out of the trade, right? Now we broke to the downside, right? Broke the downside down there. So now we know that we are moving down. We are moving down, right? So we found one, two, and three. Another candle, right? One, two, another candle. Did we break? No, we didn't break. What about the downside? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. What does that mean? Am I gonna save? Look at the risk. The risk is huge, right? The risk is huge, right? So what happened here? What exactly happened here? Maybe I might have sold this one. Look, risk wise. Risk wise it is a little bit risky. you want to use one false or wait for the retest. Okay, wait for the retest. Okay, so as you can see, this thing dumped and went like crazy to the downside, achieving objective this one's objective. When you measure this TP1, TP2 is down there. That's why you are seeing this week. And TP3, TP4. Okay, that's what happened. Then after achieving everything, after hitting TP2 and everything, what did the price do? The price reversed direction. So now we are seeking higher prices. Now they want to clear this price and then hit this wick, because I told you wicks are inefficiencies, they are gaps, they are voids, so they have to be filled like this kind of gap, this candle gap. Then, okay, I entered, my stop loss hit down there, my TP hit down there for my sale of this one. For this sale, right there I have two sales, I had two sales. For this one, I had one buy, right? I had one sale here down there, and my stop loss hit. So essentially, I have lost two, I have won two right there. This is a win, this is a loss, right? But hopefully, the losses were small. Look, stop loss up there. The wins are huge. That's my sale, bam. That's my sale, bam. Two, almost triple. That's beautiful. Then here, I might have sold this one. I would have sold if I was here. I would have sold it. Okay. One, we have these bigger black boxes, TP2. Two, we have manipulated to the upside already. Okay, took the highs and then now we done. So I could have sold. So right there is bam, delivered. Based on the previous two candles, I'm gonna determine my TP1, my TP2, and my TP3. At exactly TP3, I take partials. Okay, and I trail my stop. Okay, you can trail if you want, or you take partials and don't touch nothing here because it is only the two candles. We are trailing the stop loss only after the three candle. Okay, after the third candle has formed and you use that TP3, not the two candles. Then right, TP3 you take partials, TP4 you take partials. Okay, alright, and then what happened? Then what the price reverses. So already 60% out here, right? At TP3 and TP4 we took partials, so 60% or 40% still running. So now your stop loss would be triggered opposite after this candle has formed. Notice I am not gonna buy this. Look, that's crazy. This is stupid. I mean, being stupid here. You cannot buy this shit. Only buy this when you see like this. I swear to God, I would have bought that. I will buy it in an instant. I would have bought that one. Targeting, freaking up there. Okay, buy, boom, risk, down there, stop loss, actually down there, entry, boom. Okay, I would have entered that. I would have entered that. I'm not lying, and I don't lie. I mean, there's no reason to lie, bro. There's no reason. It's just playing with yourself. If you lie, okay, it is embarrassing. That's what happened here. So my stop loss would be triggered down there. stop loss here as the grid. Boom, it came back down there and hit my profits, my profits. Okay, then what happened? We accumulated again black box. We dropped down, we never broke, so this is gonna be used as a TP just like this one. Still loading. Right there, down there, I'm gonna consider the TP to be down there, TP1 and TP2 for this one. For this one, TP1 and TP2 would be down there, okay, right there, okay, this one. Alright, it is getting dark, so let me finish this shit and before it gets dark. So what happened there? Price dumped and formed another blockers to 3. Then obviously that looks like a buy, as you can see. When you zoom out, I'm just using my eye, okay, I'm not using a grid or something. When you use a grid, it didn't even approach the halfway, so yeah, seems like it didn't break anything. Yeah, it didn't break nothing. So as you can see, this is the high, and look, it moved a little bit and then never broke it. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna wait. We are gonna wait for the next candle. So this, we found another one. Look, that's exactly the start of the trend. That is the start. I'm trying to find a way. Okay, so I'll simply go to my home and just turn the light on. Okay, so this is the black box here. So I sell down there, stop loss. Targeting TP1 and TP2. Look at exactly TP2. Look what happened. Then we take partial 30% off. TP3 30% off. TP4 another 30% off. Okay, what is your stop loss at breaking? Okay, that's exactly what happened. So I'm gonna aim for TP2 down there for this one. When I enter a sell up there, I am keeping in mind that the price is gonna gravitate down there. Okay, alright. So it's getting dark and it's getting noisy. So I mean the birds and everything. So the next one I will catch you in the next one. Okay. This is a crazy trade that I enter. Look at that shit. A crazy trade, bro. That's crazy. This buy, bro. I mean, made a lot of money right there. So that was a buy. I simply entered the buy, and just like I told you, I never touched the stop loss. I mean, actually, I didn't check it after some hours. When I came back, I found it like this. Okay, so that's partial time. You take partial and you put your stop loss there. Actually, it retraced a little bit and continued moving up from that day on. Okay, so I will show you this one next time. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye for now.